this is Gallium Gamer here with the first trailer review of this September. Today we're going to be reviewing this Piko V23 shunter. Moving on to the white background to show the detail. It has lots of little handrails and is really good with the paint. Then off to the side, the lettering and the numbers are really nicely printed. You can even read them. On the back, there is a lot of lighting, and I will demonstrate that. Here is our little shunter, and let's move it right onto the shore. As you can see, it runs beautifully and has directional lighting. Here we go backwards and forwards again. And then if I turn it around like this and then go forwards again, we have red lights on the rear, and then if we go backwards for the locomotive now, it has lights also on the rear. So the directional lighting is supreme. So now let's move on to the weight test. I've come to an incline to show you the power of this little locomotive. So I'll start it now, and I'll slide the camera along. And also sorry for my shoddy camera work. And as you can see, it pulls the carriages right up. This is no problem for a locomotive. For the running, she will be coupling up to this single flatbed wagon. So just let her move up to it, and hit. Seems like she coupled. So let's move her back. And up onto the main line. In my books, this little shunter is 10 out of 10, a complete win. I've come to an incline here to show you the power of this little model. Oh, wrong way. And it decoupled. Applause for the locomotive. And she just, yeah, now you see?